Expertec has spent a generation listening to the folks who build this country, and we know that the difference between success and failure comes down to one thing: preparation. Let's face it, if your truck or van is your workshop, having an air compressor to allow you to run one of the hundreds of pneumatic tools available to professionals can be the difference between finishing one or multiple jobs today. Over the last decade, we've built our reputation on providing the best vehicle equipment in the world to our customers, and these include the onboard air compressors that we use to upfit vans and trucks all over Western Canada. Our most popular light and medium-duty compressors are those built by Oasis, and they give you tremendous flexibility on the job. They can be installed in various situations and offer a wide range of options in duty cycle and airflow, making them perfect for the upfitted van or truck that may need to use a compressor for inflating tires or running small tools. All-around minor tasks are all easily within the capabilities of these Oasis compressors, and both the price and the footprint are small enough to never be in the way. Contact the Expertec team today to discuss adding a compressor to your work vehicle or entire fleet.
Expertec. Innovative, driven, excellence. Visit us online at www.expertec.ca.